right, this last game has asked us to put things into order, but more than one thing at a time, and so this is the organizational template I'll use. The first rule is a little hinky, but I'm giving myself this kind of visual reminder. You know, it's not just that 1 and 2 can't be on the same day. It's that 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, like none of the consecutives can be on the same day. 2 is before 8, 3 is before 7, 7 is before 5, and 4 is on either Thursday or Friday. It's in the middle. And putting that all together, I can see that it's going to be 3 and then 7 and then 5. Not necessarily consecutively, but, you know, 3 before 7 before 5. Let's answer questions. Following assignments of floors could be part of an acceptable schedule. And answer choice A, the 8th floor is on Thursday, right? Which means the 2nd floor would have to be on Wednesday, but it's not. Get rid of answer choice A. In answer choice B, the 2nd and 3rd floor are together on Thursday, and we were told you can't have consecutive floors on the same day. Get rid of that. In answer choice C, the 4th floor is on Wednesday, and we were told that the 4th floor is Thursday or Friday. Get rid of answer choice C. In answer choice D, we don't have the 3rd floor on Wednesday, and we don't have the 3rd floor on Thursday, right? So that would mean the 3rd floor is on Friday, followed by the 7th, followed by the 5th. Where's the 5th floor? Answer choice D doesn't give us enough room for the 5th floor. Get rid of that. That leaves us in the answer choice E, which is, of course, then the right answer. Question 19. The 3rd floor is on Thursday. What's true? The 3rd floor is on Thursday. Then you got the 7th. Then you got the 5th. And you got to have the 4th floor on Thursday or Friday, but not consecutive with the 3rd floor. So it'll have to be here. And now we have to have the 2nd floor before the 8th floor. And I guess there's 2 ways we can do that. So why not just look at them both? 2nd and 8th, right? Or maybe the 8th is back here. And the 2nd, would still be here because it can't be consecutive to the 3rd. All right, we've got the 1st and 6th, and this is not the 1st. So this is the 6th. 1st and 6th, this is not the 1st. What were we asked? What could be true? The 1st floor is on a Saturday. Yeah, that could be true. Doesn't have to be, but it could be. 20, any of the following could be true except the 1st floor is on Friday. Sure, why not? Look at answer choice C. The 5th floor is Thursday. The 5th floor is on Thursday. Well, we know that we have to have 3 and 7 before it, and oh no, there's just not enough room for that. You're not putting the 5th floor that early. 3 and 7 have to be in front. 21, the schedule is fully determined if which of the following is true. Let's do 2 by example. Answer choice A, the 2nd floor is on Friday. 2nd floor is on Friday. All right, that means the 8th floor will be on Saturday. And now we have to have 3, 7, and 5. But it looks an awful lot to me like I could do 3, 7, and 5, or 3, 7, and 5. Contrast that against answer choice E. The 8th floor is on Thursday. If I put the 8th floor on Thursday, then I have to have the 2nd in front of it. And now I have to have 3 before 7, before 5. But the 7 is not here, not consecutive. So the 7 will have to be here. The 5 will have to be after it. The 3 could be either place. Oh, but no, it can't be because it can't be with the 2. So the 3 is there. 4th has to be on Thursday or Friday. That means it's here. 1st can't be consecutive with the 2nd. It'll have to be here, which means the 6th will be there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what it looks like when it's determined. 22, the 5th floor is on Friday. Say that 5 times fast. Which of the following must be true? Stupid. The 5th floor is on Friday. Which of the following must be true? All right, 5th floor is on Friday. Preceded by the 7th, preceded by the 3rd. And now we have to have the 4th on Thursday or Friday, and it's not consecutive with the 5th. So the 4th will be there. And we've got to have the 2nd before the 8th, but the 2nd can't be with the 3rd. So the 2nd will be there before the 8th. And then 1st and 6th in some order. And what were we asked? What must be true? The second floor is on Friday. Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That leaves us just the substitution question. And once again, the right answer to this question, answer choice A, the right answer, is the same as the old rule we're substituting for. So here, let's erase some of this stuff with my thumb. I like doing that. I don't like doing that. It makes me uncomfortable. All right. If A is true and the 4th and the 7th are on the same day or consecutive days, all the other rules are true. This is the only one we're substituting for, right? Well, the 7th floor is in the middle. It's between 3 and 5. So it's earliest here, latest here. The 7th is here or here. And the 4th has to be with it or next to it? I mean, you know, do the work. Look what we've got. Earliest here. And if the 4th is next to it or consecutive, the 4th isn't here with a 3, so the 4th will be here or here. I can't avoid it. Or push it back. The 4th can't be next to the 5 for rule 1, but it has to be, according to answer choice A, next to or with the 7, so it's here or here. There's just no way around it. And if you want for contrast, let's compare that. So answer choice A is the same, as the old rule. If the 4th is with or next to the 7th, it ends up on Thursday or Friday. What about answer choice C, for example? The 4th floor is earlier than the 5th floor. Well, let's put it earlier. All right. 3, 7, 5. 2 before 8. Don't want to put my 8 there because I don't have a place for my 6 if I put my 8 there. 6, 8, 1. Okay. Now, answer choice C is true. The 4th floor is earlier than the 5th floor. But my old rule is false. I can make C true, rule 5 false. C is not the same as rule 5, and that idea is what governs this whole question. A has to be the same as rule 5 no matter what I do. If A is true, 5 is true. If 5 is true, A is true. C, D, E, and B don't share that, and that is why none of those 4 are the right answer. And that finishes this game, and that finishes this section, and that finishes this test.